I switched to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 as my daily driver. Now, I used last year's Z Flip 3, and while I loved that phone, there was a couple downsides to that phone that ultimately made me switch back to the generic slab of glass that many of us use as their daily driver. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I'm going to dive into why I switched to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 as my daily driver. Now, while I do have the awesome opportunity to check out a bunch of different phones on the channel, I've been particularly excited for the Z Flip 4, and also huge thanks to Best Buy for sponsoring this video. So without further delay, let's dive right in. You know the saying, third time's the charm? I thought it was true last year with the Z Flip 3, but I guess I was wrong after I used the Flip 4. Samsung listened to its consumers and to what the Flip 3 didn't have, and they addressed them in the Flip 4, and this is so much better. So let me tell you the main reason why I decided to switch to the Flip 4. That's why. The Flip 4 folds. It's a foldable device. I've been getting so much positive feedback from my friends about this device. Everyone has been genuinely, surprised that this is a foldable and find that the Z Flip 4 is a really cool phone. Now, those who do question the crease, you can see right here, there is a crease. That's my answer. I've got an answer. It's still present, but it definitely is not as annoying as you would think it would be. You get used to it. The large 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display is a Samsung panel. And if you've ever used Samsung displays, well then you know how rich and beautiful they are. That crease though, it's not going to be an issue. Once you start using the device, you get used to it. It's not going to be an issue. It's not going to be an annoyance for you. So no need to worry about that. When I'm done using the phone, whether watching YouTube videos or playing Call of Duty, all I need to do is just fold it, and now it becomes a super pocketable device. And since there is this outer display that shows my notifications and quick toggles for things like the camera, if you just double tap, there you go, camera right there, then I'm less tempted to fold open the phone and use it. And this is technically a good thing. Hear me out. Because it, brings my phone usage down, and I am a heavy user. I frequently use my phone. It's great to know that, however, when I fold open the phone, I can leave it at any angle. So unlock it, leave it at any angle. There you go. This means if I need to multitask, for example, I'm doing work on my laptop and need to video chat with my friends, just place it just like that. If I'm watching a vertical video or whatever it may be, I'm watching a video and I want to comment down below. There you go. It's perfect. I've talked a lot about this design and how it folds and why this was the main reason why I switched. And I think that should be the case because, like I said, it's the main reason why I switched to the Flip 4. The form factor of this makes it more compact and easier to carry than a large slab of glass like the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Not only that, Samsung has also made some much needed improvements with the Galaxy Z Flip 4, and the biggest one was battery life. The Flip 3 came equipped with a 3300 milliamp hour battery, but this right here, the Flip 4, comes equipped with a 3700 milliamp hour battery. That's a 17% increase, and that for me was already the you're all set to go move. With the larger 3700 milliamp hour battery, dynamic AMOLED Infinity Flex display, and the fact that it fits perfectly in the palm of my hand, I definitely recommend the Galaxy Z Flip 4. So one of my favorite places to shop for new devices like the Galaxy Z Flip 4 is at Best Buy. And you can pick up the Flip 4 as well as the Galaxy Z Fold 4 from Best Buy. By purchasing at Best Buy, you'll also have the opportunity to pick up Total Tech Protection. You can return the phone within 14 days if it isn't your fit, and you can even do an in-store pickup. Just order online and pick up the device in store. What's even better is that you can get the Best Buy team to help you set up your latest Galaxy device. Literally just order online, do an in-store pickup, pick up the phone, and then have the Best Buy team help you set up the phone. And there you go. You're all set to go. You can save up to $1,200 on the new Galaxy Z series with an in-store trade-in and qualified activation. They got some awesome deals with their carriers, and plus Best Buy Total Tech members can receive a $100 Best Buy gift card with a purchase. So thank you Best Buy for sponsoring this video. So cameras have an improvement as well. The lenses do protrude just a bit, which means the cameras are going to stick out when you compare it to its predecessor. But that also means the lenses are larger and they're able to take in more light, and that's an improvement. I've seen the improvement in the quality. So from a more refined design, squared out design, a matte finish from top to bottom, larger sensors for better camera quality, as well as a larger battery for better usage. This lasts me throughout the entire day now. This is great. Keep it up, Samsung. Using the Galaxy Z Flip 4, it continues to change my perspective on foldables. Samsung is dominating, and their foldables are proof that foldables themselves are the future of smartphones. That's a strong opinion of mine. Many of you may agree, many of you may not. That's okay. That's what makes all of us unique, by having our own different opinions. But foldables, I believe, themselves are the future of smartphones. And that's really it for this video. That about wraps it up. I hope you guys did enjoy. Also, be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Harlequin. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. And if you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. I've been really enjoying the Z Flip 4. And while I'm going to continue to test out more devices you'll see on the coming weeks and months on the channel, I'll be coming back to the Z Flip 4. This Flip 4 is definitely serving its purpose for me, both in functionality and in fashion. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.